Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix apps not working in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection. After that, open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it, and then on top you can see the option software update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and then click on reset all settings. Now click on reset. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.